pick up my paycheck.
Waiting for a green light.
Light's still thought that was Judas Priest for a second.
Let's go to Detroit Rock City. God, we have no life. That is us right there. That turn is all about me right now.
That is all.
That green arrow's looking me in the eye and he's saying, if you don't go now, if you don't take this chance in life, you will have to wait 10 more minutes. And then I consider that. And to me, that's not that bad.
I don't want to wait 10 minutes at a green light.
Can I enter here?
Yeah, yes.
Well, I'm going to do it.
What if there's a small child?
And no one except a cop could stop me. Come on, LAPD.
Chris, we don't live in Los Angeles.
I know, but like, if we ever move there, I want to kind of like...
But we don't live there.
Yeah. And just so that I told her, look, if you're not going to call me, I'm not calling you.
Dude, the interior market is having a sale.
Yes!
Let's go buy sofas.
All right. How much you got on your check there?
Not enough.
That's normally like an average.
You have a pen? I need to fill this out so we can go get some, so we can go get something to eat.
Okay. A pen. A pen?
Yeah, I need a pen. You have
yeah, there's not one out there.
Is there one in the air conditioner?
Check that out. You can bend the folds on the air conditioner.
That doesn't help very much, does it?
No, that's definitely empty.
The one in here?
A pen. Doesn't everyone have a pen in their car? Everyone has a pen in their car.
How are we supposed to get anything to eat if I don't have a pen? I can't deposit these checks without a pen. What are you so happy about?
Everyone has a pen in their car. Click.
You just... Could get this in.
What's going on here? Is that a calculator on your cell phone?
Yeah.
Do all cell phones have a calculator?
Mine apparently does.
You know, they give you a calendar on your cell phone. Then a calculator. But
yeah,
like, why isn't there a thermometer? Check this out. If I just...
See, that could be a thermometer right there. Like,
we're rich. We have a patent on it. Don't take our idea.
Okay, so we are off to the bank.
Yeah, we are. Kiss is with us right now.
Gene Simmons.
Paul Stanley and Gene Simmons are singing to us right now.
Serenading.
Serenading?
Serenading.
Nodding sounds more French. I like that. No. Serenade.
Acapella. Is it acapella or is it archipelago?
I think it's like serenada.
That building says Ligolo.
That was acapella. That was talent.
I think I busted a blood vessel in the old noggin.
Bill Cosby is jealous right now.
What does Bill Cosby have anything to do with acapella?
Didn't he do?
No.
Fat Albert?
He created Fat Albert, but that has nothing to do with acapella either. Does it?
Fat Albert and acapella. Just think about it. Fat Albert, Bill Cosby?
Bob Saget?
He did the kids say the darndest things. Soup.
Alright, depositing my checks.
The things Americans do for money.
Ain't that the truth?
Oh my God. That's Josh's crotch. Yeah, Josh just said that. That is it. Yeah, that actually is it. They're kind of reconstructing it.
I'm a bad girl.
Who's this? I don't know, but your ringtone's really loud.
Hello? What are you doing?
What's he doing?
Oh.
Oh. Alright, so what are you getting? The wet? The wet ball?
Calzone.
What happened to the meatball? That's not good. It has a cheese and a meatball. Just be individual. Oh, my pride. I'm about to catch in depth and satire what a satisfied customer is. It's deep satisfaction. Tip. It's hard to use a straw when you're not using your lips. Check this out. I'm going to now, like, today is going to be it. I'm going to reinvent the way to drink. We need bigger straws. So we ordered appetizers. And we're probably going to get a meal before that, and I find that hilarious.
Pretty upset.
Yeah, that's a good $5. How does he do that? How does he know what's going on?
I am a ninja.
It's hot, huh?
A little hot. Just a little.
You need me to turn it off?
Yeah.
You need to cry? We think they got the plans upside down because it looks like it'd be close to the floor, you know, but it's like backwards. Unless we're upside down. Did we walk in?
I guess not.
Yes.
I wonder if you could fall up.
We already talked about this.
Oh.
It'd be baller.
Yeah, that's a full.
Alright, Josh. Go for it.
I'm scared.
Why, it's not that... Oh,
Nope.
check. This is the sign of a delicious pizza. That was a good meal. You stabbed your box.
Yeah.
Why?
I was trying to mark which is which. But then I realized I could just open it.
And that helped how?
No.
Well, now, okay, well, instead of being yours with one hole, now yours is the one with 2 holes.
Actually 8.
You gonna go for 16? No,
I hate life. Ticket!
Thank you. Wow, the emo kid gets tickets. he throws parties and he puts rat poison on the punch. Come over.
I don't have a total, I have a tot. It says tot.
Tot.
Tater tot.
You have a little lip, like, yeah, okay. No, other side. Wait, no, use the right side. Just, hey, your chin. Your chin. Just go ahead and see your face to wash down, straight.
What do we have here?
Nice birthday.
Apparently it started storming while we were eating, and we're gonna get our food to the car. Make sure I have the keys.
Better hurry up, this camera's getting kind of wet, dude.
Yeah, it's going.
Run, Chris, run. And now he's gone. While he's gone, you need to try the. You gotta try the. The what? Good, he made it. The rain is brutal.
How's the pizza? Is it like soggy?
Probably.
Oh,
It's box is pretty mushy.
This stupid weather. It's like.
Whoa!
What was that?
Where did that come from?
Where did that? Did you feel that?
What?
I'm getting like 666 scared here.
I want to sacrifice a goat.
I know, I feel like murdering a virgin.
Darth Lord.
Please, there's Satan. Oh no. The door's locked. It's cursed. We're stuck in the car. I can't get out.
It's getting hot in here, dude.
I can't open the door.
Chris, push the door. Push it.
Oh, we're good. All right, well let's go.